What type of certification is required for persons recovering CFCs, HCFCs, or HFCs during maintenance, service, or repair of small appliance? Type 1, Type 2, Type 3 tech that passed the core exam.
Hello, and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you. The answer to your question is you would need to have at least Type I Technician or Universal Technician. My goal is to give you the best experience possible. If you need more assistance, please use the reply box and let me know. Rating does not stop you from getting back to me in the event you need me. It has been a pleasure assisting you today.
Thank you. I'm going over some practice questions, but they appear to me to be trick questions. Do you do live phone, or do I need to keep asking my questions the way I just asked this one?
Some experts do live phone calls, I however do not. If you request me personally, I will pick up your questions. Please do rate at the top for this one though with 5 stars if you are satisfied with my response.
I have a few questions, like 10 of them in puzzle with, what works for you. I can also send them as an attachment. I don't have no problem with tipping you.
Well, since it was not part of the original question, you would have to post it on a different thread, but go ahead and post them on another question and we can go from there. Attachments work for me. Just request me directly. WebTech.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.